What is AWS Glue? AWS Glue is a managed service that encompasses data discovery, query execution, and schema management. Its serverless nature ensures that you can handle all aspects of data integration without the need to provision or manage resources. How it works with Amazon Glue? The diagram shows the process starting with ALB logs stored in Amazon S3 without Hive-style prefixes. We use an AWS Glue crawler with a Grok custom classifier to infer the ALB log file schema and populate the AWS Glue data catalog with partition metadata for year, month, and day. Next, the diagram illustrates querying with Amazon Athena, highlighting the benefits of partition tables for enhanced performance and reduced costs. By using AWS Glue with Athena, we streamlined the data management process, from storage to analysis, saving time and improving insights into traffic patterns within your applications. With AWS Glue, you're well equipped to tackle the complexities of modern data integration. By automating laborious data preparation tasks, AWS Glue frees your team to focus on deriving valuable insights from your data. Start building your data integration solutions with AWS Glue today by visiting the AWS Management Console. Thank you for joining this introductory session on AWS Glue. For more information and to get started with Glue, visit the AWS official documentation and tutorial pages.